Welcome to the MPC Live Lounge. In this workflow tutorial, we'll be looking at the brand new Auto Sampler feature in our latest 2.3 update for MPC standalone and desktop software. Auto Sampler allows you to resample any external instrument such as vintage keyboards, sound modules, or third-party plug-in instruments from your computer directly inside the MPC standalone hardware or the desktop software. Now to do this is very simple. We take a MIDI output from our MPC Live RX directly to our sound source, which is the DO5. We then take the output audio from our module into the line level input of our MPC hardware. Now that we've connected our audio and MIDI, we navigate to the MIDI icon on our Touch UI, and this will enable us to trigger the DO5 sounds directly from the MPC pads. Now to sample this sound, we now go to Menu, Pad 9, taking us to our sample page, then we press the Auto Sampler icon, taking us into our sample source information. Now Auto Sampler has already detected track 1, and we're using the program DO5, and our inputs are set at 1 and 2. Now if we scroll down and look at our note range, this sample is going to be set from C2 to C4. But if you want to change this, we can actually go down to -C2 and all the way up to G8. Now that we've set our note range, let's take a look at note stride. Currently we're set to 6, which is sampling every 6th note chromatically. To sample every note, we simply change the value to 1. Once set, we can now select how many layers will be used on our sample. We have up to 4 layers we can activate for more complex samples. For this sample, we'll be using layer 1. We can also adjust our note length, sample name, and turn on looping if required. We have forward, alternating, and reverse options available. Now if we scroll down, we can go to On Completion and make a current program by selecting our tab. And our sampling duration will be 16 seconds. Now let's press OK. Now our MPC is sending MIDI information directly into our DO5 module and triggering the sample sounds from our note range of C2 to C4. Once this is completed, MPC will finish sampling and we now navigate to our key group program, where you will now hear the same sound sampled by MPC in standalone mode directly from the DO5. Now let's use this sound by going into pad performance mode and playing some chords over our production. We can change the octave. So now let's add this to our track.